Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about a hair product which I use. It's basically my everyday, not everyday but yeah, like kind of everyday hair care routine. What products I actually use to my hair, for my hair, to make it look smooth, shiny, beautiful, all that good things. And personally I don't use a lot of hair products because I feel it's too much and it's not practical. So I always believe in the principle which is less is always more. Obviously less is always more. And let's get started in this video. Whenever we talked about hair products, the first thing that came into our mind is hair oil. We think, like I also think hair oiling is a crucial and very important part of our hair care routine. I mean, hair oiling is responsible for growth, for strength, everything. Hair oiling is very important, and personally I don't use a lot of hair oil. I mean, in month twice. Okay, so like 15 days. Okay, I'm not a person who use oils because it doesn't suit me. So yeah, I use this one. This is a Wow onion black seed hair oil. It's non-sticky, non-greasy hair oil for sleeker and stronger hair. The main ingredient is this one is obviously onion, and onion is known to promote your hair growth, and it's really nice. Onion is a really nice product to use to your hair. So this is a very nice. I don't use it a lot, you can see. I don't use it a lot, but yeah, very rare when I actually want to give myself a oil massage, so then only I use this. I don't use this a lot. I mean, I don't know why, but you should use a hair oil more often, like once in a week. Just oil your hair, and that's it. It will give you really nice results. Okay, the next product is a shampoo, and I use this shampoo. This is by Vela. Invigo Nutri Enriched with Goji Berry. This is a deep conditioning shampoo. So it looks like this, and it is an amazing product for fragile, for dry hair. It's because it's deep nourishing, like it nourishes and make your hair shiny and smooth and strong. So Vela is very nice brand for shampoos. I'm a person who doesn't believe in all the drugstore shampoo. I feel for shampoo you should use more good and professional brand. So this is there, and I love this a lot. Okay, so with this shampoo I use this hair mask sometime. This is the same variant. This is the Invigo Nutri Enriched with Goji Berry. This is a deep nourishing mask, and shampoo is in same form, so same range, so it makes sense obviously. And I also use the conditioner. This is the same Vela Professionals Invigo Nutri Enriched Deep Nourishing Conditioner. So this came in a trio form, like this. It looks like this. It's amazing. It looks amazing, obviously. I really like the packaging, the color, peach color. I really like it a lot. And amazing range, like shampoo, conditioner, hair mask. So what I do is I wash my hair every 2 days because my hair is kind of oilier side. So every twice a day I use it. Every alternate days. That means if I wash my hair today, I will wash it day after tomorrow. Not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So 2 times, actually 3 times, I use the conditioner with the shampoo, and once in a week I use shampoo and this mask. Okay, whenever I use the conditioner, I keep it on for good 3 to 5 minutes, and whenever I use this mask, I keep it on for good 10 minutes. So it works magically, obviously. Real nice mask and conditioner. This whole 3 things, okay, let me show you, really complement each other. I mean, they work pretty better when used together. So it's a really nice trio, and I loving this one a lot. It's almost over. I think I need to buy another one. So yep, that's it. That's the shampoo, conditioner, hair mask I use. And let's talk about for the serum. I use the Matrix serum, which look like this. I recently got this. You can tell I've used only this much, and you only need 2 to 3 drops. Only 2 to 3 drops, not more than that. So what I do, I use like 2 to 3 drops. I keep in my hand, rub it like this, and do this wherever my hair is half dry and half wet. After I wash my hair, it's partial dry. When it's partial dry, I use this. But this serum, I don't use it every time I wash my hair. I just use it when my hair feels extra dry, extra dehydrated. Only then I use this serum, because this is a smooth proof deep smoothing serum, sorry. Smoothens and controls frizzy hair. Okay, so this is for that. And my hair usually are very shiny and, touch wood, shiny and nourished. So when I feel a little extra dry, I use this serum. Not every time I wash my hair, but yeah, I think 10 times in a day. The next product is a hairspray. This is from Streaks. It is the Hold and Play hold spray with extract of willow and honey. This look like this. And Streaks is a very good brand for hairspray. I mean, this is very famous, and I use this whenever I feel like some flyovers, like, okay, I have flyovers, when I make a ponytail and I see something is tingling here and here, like this one, so I need a good hairspray. So I use this a lot actually. I started working, so I need this, because flyovers, baby hairs doesn't look good. Yeah, it doesn't look good, and we want to get rid of them, and this is amazing because it lasts longer. The best thing about this is it really lasts longer. It can hold your hair for so long time without making your hair very hard. Okay, so there are some hairspray available which makes your hair too hard, I mean too tight. Oh, so this is not like that. Okay guys, we have came to the end of this video, and I use only these products. I use less products, and trust me, these products only give me the best and very nice result, which I like a lot. I'm a person who use less products when it's come to skincare, hair care, everything. So if I dishearten you a little bit, please bear with that. And yeah, I'm a person like that. I don't like to use a lot of hair products on my hair. So that's how I am. I hope you accept it. And yep, that's it. The link of all the products that I've shown you will be in the description box below, so check it out. And I think I might not be able to find this one online, but yeah, I'll try, because I bought this from store. That's why I'll try, and if I don't find it, I'll just link a similar one for you all to check it out. Also, that will also be good. And that's it. Follow me on Instagram. This is my handle. Okay, and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and that's it. I shall see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. You all know my schedule: Monday, Wednesday and Friday I upload a fresh content. So yeah,